Once a teacher asked the students to share their best achievements of their past. One child comes and he says, I am best in drawing because I received first prize at district level. One child comes and says, I am best in academics because in the past 4 exams I stood first with 98% of marks. Another child comes whose name is Raju. He says, I am an athlete, I am best in running because I received gold medal at state level. As a teacher listens all these, he will be very feeling happy and ask all the students to clap and encourage all these. And then he says, children, today we'll go to the ground. As soon as the teacher says that let us go to ground, all the students stand, and they'll start moving. Because who will not be happy to go to ground? They thought they'll be playing there. So after reaching the ground, the teacher asked everybody to stand in a row. And he says, hey Raju, come here once. The Raju comes there and teacher asks him, Raju, you are the best runner, right? You said in the classroom. Today, I just want to see how you run. What is the style of your running and how actually you're running? I couldn't see the competition, so I want to just see that. But before that, you say, what is your running speed? Then Raju says, I ran 100 meters, sir, in 30 seconds. That was my final record. And my runner-up, he took 35 seconds. Okay, very good. Can you run for me once? Then the child feel very proud. Okay, my teacher is telling me to run. Let me show him what my capacity is. Then all the children will start clapping and this Raju starts running. Everybody was shouting, Raju, 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 and he started running. And he comes back and he shows, sir, you see now it's 30 seconds. In 30 seconds I achieved. Then teacher says, very good, very good. But Raju, I have a single doubt. Can't you run this 100 meters in less than 30 seconds? Then Raju says, no sir, because months together I practiced for this and this is my record and I cannot break it. Then the teacher says, once for me can't you do it? Because today I decided to give 5,000 rupees to someone who breaks his own record. So I am going to give you that 5,000 rupees if you run in less than 30 seconds. Then this Raja started thinking, now 5,000 rupees, that's a big amount. I can do anything with that 5,000 rupees. So he says, sir, I will try. I cannot say, I will not reach, I know it, but I will try that. Then again, he starts, countdown starts, 1, 2, 3, and then he starts moving. Now when he is running, in his mind that 5,000 rupees is roaming. What to do with this 5,000? Where to spend this 5,000 rupees? If I achieve that 5,000 rupees, how should I celebrate it? His thoughts over like that. Then at last when he comes back and he sees watch, it's 29 seconds. And he was breathing like anything. He was taking long breath and the teacher says, Raju, congratulations. Is it your final speed? They say, yes sir, I can't. I am very happy that I have, broken my own record. Then the teacher says, no, I think you can run in less than this time. Then Raju says, sir, sorry sir, I will die sir, but I cannot run sir. No Raju, once you try for me. Then now teacher says that Raju, if you run faster than that, then I am going to give you my whole month's salary, he says. But still Raju, he was thinking that it is impossible, but somewhere, the greediness in his mind that, 1 month's salary, what to do with this? He was just thinking of that 1 month's salary and he accepts. He starts running again. On the way, he thinks of that 1 month's salary, what to do, how to celebrate, what to purchase, what not to purchase, all these things he will be thinking. And he comes back within 28 seconds. And this time his condition is very bad. He was sweating like anything and he was breathing very high. Raju is very proud of because he's thinking that it is his final record, 100 meters per 28 seconds. Now teacher asks again, Raju, can't you run in less than that time? Then Raju says, sir, if you want, you kill me please, but you don't ask me to run, because I cannot run in less time than this, sir. Then the teacher says, Raju, you do one thing. If you really respect me, if you really love me, to prove that you run in less than 28 seconds. Then Raju, surprisingly, he is looking at teacher. What is this logic, sir? What is this fitting, sir? You are linking your respect, your love with this one. Please, sir, kindly don't do that. I will not win, sir. I know this is my final speed, sir, because I know about my capacity, sir. Then the teacher says, no problem, beta. Once you try for me. No, sir. Please, kindly leave me, sir. I don't want to do that. I respect you. I love you more than anything, and I don't want to lose that. Then the teacher says, okay, leave it. If you don't want to go with that, I don't force. But do you think that it is your final speed? He says, yes, sir, it is my final speed. He asked all the other students also, students, do you think that it is a final speed? Then they all says, yes, it is his final speed. Then let us all clap once again for his record. Everybody started clapping, and even the teachers started clapping. And teacher takes that Raju closer and say, very good, beta, you have done a great job. Your efforts are marvelous. You have broken even state records. But I have one more request to you. Then he thinks, this time request, there must be some logic inside. Now I think this teacher has planned to kill me, because he is giving one by one, different conditions. Raju is thinking in this way. Then the teacher says, don't worry, this time I am not going to give you any money. I am not going to put any condition to you. You can run as you want at your own time. There is no time limit also. You can take 50 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it is. Just I want to see your running style, because in the previous trials I couldn't see your running style. I was just thinking whether you will reach or not. Then Raju very happily, oh, what is there, sir? That I can do for you. And Raju will be ready, and he takes position, and teacher counts 1, 2, 3, and Raju starts running. It's not running. It's just he is walking in a speed, because there is no condition at all. So after crossing 5 meters, Raju listens something, a barking sound of a dog from backside. So when he was running, he just turned back and see there is a dog coming very fastly. And he sees towards the teacher, and teacher says, Raju, don't stop yourself. It is a mad dog going to kill you. Then no competition, nothing, he starts running like anything. He starts running, and he will reach the goal. And actually it was not a mad dog. It was the pet dog of teacher. So my dear friends, this time he reached the goal in 25 seconds itself. Though his condition was very bad, he was breathing like anything, he was totally sweat, the energy which has come from inside of Raju, it's because of the dog. It's because of the fear of death. So friends, in this example, we understood that Raju was thinking he was the best, but he was just better, not the best. Same way, we also have unlimited energy in us, either that is physical or mental. We have to get a fuel first to bring out that energy, as the teacher was using different techniques. The day when we bring out our energy in the best way possible, that will be the best day. My dear friends, my question to you is, suppose if I think that you are of 15 years, let us leave that 5 years of childhood of LKG, UKG, nursery and all that. Let us think that your age is 10 years. 10 years means 365 into 10, that is 3650 days of education has passed. So my question to you is there any single day in your life of this 10 years, single day out of 3650 days, where you can say that, sir, that particular day I really worked hard. I cannot work that much in future life also. I brought out my energy, I brought out my concentration, I worked just for my life. I did not waste even a single minute on that day. And that day I totally sacrificed, totally dedicated for my life, for my future, for my goal. Is there any such day in your life? No, friends. We did not get such a day in our life till now. So you just strive for that day. Today you think that tomorrow should become the best day of your life. The day where you put your best efforts, then your life is done. Your life is going to be successful, no doubt. So hope that you will all work for that day. You will all try to bring out the best from you, and keep watching the videos. Even in future, I will try to give you many more stories, many more motivational content in the video. If you have not subscribed the video, please subscribe it and share to others. Thank you. Thanks a lot.